Hey guys, today we are gonna talk about really specific things narcissists do when they want to discard you. Do not expect them to come and have a nice chat that they no longer want to be in this relationship. They gonna do it in a very specific and twisted way. So watch this video right until the end to find out what is it exactly. My name is Darina and I'm doing my psychology postgrad in Australia. Let's get started. Narcissists need to be in a relationship with someone who will praise them somehow, cater to them, and be someone they can control, someone they can emotionally manipulate. So essentially, narcissists boost their self-esteem through another person. This is what is called as obtaining narcissistic supply. But no relationship like this can last long because it's impossible to be in a relationship where it's like I'm constantly getting something from you and you are getting nothing from me, and we're both okay with this. So sooner or later, the victim of the narcissist, or if you don't like the word victim, the person who is in a relationship with the narcissist, starts to dislike all of this and will eventually start raising the topic that what is happening is not okay, and will either want to find ways to fix things or head towards the door preparing for a breakup. And a narcissist cannot accept the idea that someone might reject them, that someone might decide to end the relationship on their own terms. Therefore, when a narcissist realizes that the relationship is starting to feel a bit shaky and might soon end, at that moment they start behaving the way I will discuss in this video. And the first thing a narcissist does when preparing to discard you, they become simply aggressive, hostile and rude. They might shout or yell, they might abruptly say something to you or slam doors, they might start using words in their speech that they used to avoid, like some name calling or comparisons. Essentially, they behave as if they absolutely don't value this relationship. Moreover, they don't just treat you indifferently, they seem to want to destroy their relationship. So if you notice that their aggression is inappropriate, out of place and just disproportional and hyperbolized, this can be a sign that they are getting ready to dispose you. By the way guys, if you are getting value of this video, please hit the like button. It really helps me as a new creator to develop this channel. The second thing a narcissist does, they start raising boundaries. They behave as if, well, like you're not even there. So if you live together in an apartment, they might, I don't know, play loud music at night or come in while you're sleeping, turn on the lights, go through drawers, slamming cupboards, doors, and so on. Essentially, they act as if you're not there. Or if you're taking a bath, they come in the bathroom needing to use the toilet or get something, literally ignoring you or what you are doing. Or say you're working, they might start talking to you and you say, I'm in a video conference right now for work. They're like, where are my socks? Where are my keys? Where is something else? In other words, roughly speaking, they try to push you boundaries to the point where it's like they're trying to push you out of relationship entirely. It becomes intolerable to be in this relationship. Thirdly, when a narcissist discards you, they stop pretending to care about your emotions. So all that hypocritical behavior that kind of seen as normal at the beginning to create their positive image for you, it disappears completely. So, if before they tried to guess what emotions they should show in a particular situation, for example, when you meet, they think they need to show they're smart and happy because other people, when they date, they seem happy. So I will act happy too. I'll behave like in a romantic movie or some kind of TV commercial. So now, at the stage when they discard you, they just stop pretending. They don't care how you feel and they don't even hide it. If you're upset, they just go about their business. Are you upset? I'm not interested in that at all. I'm not even going to pay attention to it. The fourth thing a narcissist does, they start threatening to leave. Remember that for a narcissist, the idea that someone could reject them, that someone might leave them, is completely unthinkable. Therefore, they try to leave just a step before you start talking about leaving yourself. Basically, a narcissist can constantly, throughout the relationship and during conflict, say things like, I can't be in such relationship at all, or I can't stand your emotional instability, or other complaints about you. So firstly, when they talk about leaving the relationship, it's usually inappropriate. Like during a minor argument, they might say, well, I don't know, maybe we should break up. Naturally, this is unexpected for you. Of course, as a rational person, you might say, wait, where are you going to go? There is no need to leave, this is just a minor argument. They perceive this as you asking them to stay, which naturally boosts their significance, like, oh, they're chasing after me, I'm important, I'm significant. Consequently, they start throwing around these threats of leaving, since it's very important for them to declare that this relationship will end on their terms. It is them who initiated leaving. When you hear your partner starting to say, I'm going to leave, I'm going to walk away from you, or we'll break up, and so on, you realize that there is no attempt to solve problems in the relationship. They're just saying this so that everyone hears it, including themselves. They might say it in front of relatives or other people, preparing for going out of the door. And the fifth thing a narcissist does when preparing to discard you, they start turning people against you, trying to get your relatives, their relatives, your mutual acquaintances, your children or colleagues, anyone really, to be on their side. They'll say things like, I'm having a hard time in this relationship, she's emotionally unstable, or he's a bad father, etc. Gaslighting might also be involved, where they say these things not directly to you but to others. In English literature, this is also called flying monkeys. There is some analogy there. In general, they start preparing people in your society, in your circle, to believe that they will leave and immediately prepare a version of events that favorable to them. So when they discard you, they have as much support as possible, and you are left with as little support as possible. This again serves as a sign to them that everyone is on their side, understanding what a fool you are for not saving the relationship and what a hero they are for leaving. Again, they slightly boost their self-esteem through this situation, even as they live in you. If you ever been in a relationship with a narcissist and experienced being discarded, or if you're currently in a relationship with someone displaying narcissistic traits and you realize, oh damn, they're starting to behave like this, pushing me out of this relationship, please share your experience in comment section. Look after yourself and your loved ones, and I will see you in next videos.